Hello, I am Kristijonas, and today I will show you a rather unethical way of getting some views and downloads on your games on itch.io. So, as you can see, my game has 13,000 views and 1,000 downloads. So, the game looks like this. It's a racing, infinite driving game. You can buy and upgrade cars, and so on. It's nothing good, nothing special. And I didn't used to get any views and downloads on this game until I put in a price tag on the game. So you want to go to your dashboard and edit the game. Over here you set the minimum price to like, I don't know, $5, not 1,000, but okay, never mind. Anyway, so like $5. You set the price like that, and you save the page, and then you wait around for like, probably a month or 3 months, and then you make the game free again. So as you can see here, I had this game set to be paid, and it didn't receive any views, and it doesn't really matter as it didn't receive any views even before it was free. But once I have set it to be paid and waited around like 3 months, and then I set it back to free, the views jumped a lot. It worked because there are websites like steamgifts.com or some other sites. There are a bunch of them, like in France and Russia and other countries. Basically every country almost has their own like a page that shows what games are on sale or are free. So all of those sites, generate the traffic for the game. So all of them see like, oh, this game is free now, you need to grab it, and they put like automatic blog posts about the games, and it generates a lot of traffic to the game. So then you get like few weeks, and you get a lot of views during that time. Like you can see, I think I did it twice, like, and all the data, all the traffic from those random websites gets you some downloads, some views, and some comments, and it's like really fun because before that no one played the game at all. But after I put on the price on it, no one played it as well. But when I made it free again, suddenly a bunch of traffic came to the game, and like I got some interesting comments here, but I think some of those got removed. But like it's like a fun experience. You get feedback and you get some players to your game. So that's my tip. Try to use it if no one plays your game, and let me know how does it go for you. So thank you and have a nice day.